our friends at OKIBB sent me this beautiful smart door lock. This is great because it connects to a smart house system so that you can connect it using Alexa or using whatever smart app you're using. It has a 3-year warranty, right? And it's the future of security in your house, right? So no more normal doors. There's the future is here. And this the fact that it has connectivity it means that you can basically monitor who goes into your house, in and out of your house, from anywhere in the world, which is something that I love. Today I'm going to show you what comes in the set, right? What comes in here, and then I'm going to do a video and install it so you see it's how it works, its connectivity, and we're going to do a walkthrough of the app. But first, I'm just going to show you what comes in this box. Everything that you need for the installation is going to be here, right? Now, while we're taking things out, I'll be talking about the great things about this system. So, you have 5 ways of entering your house when you have this system. You can either have a fob like a card, right? You could do a PIN. You can go through an app. It has fingerprinting. And of course, you can use a key, right? So basically when you install these, one side is going to have the lock and the other side is going to have something like this, right? All the systems are the same. I've installed several of these and this is how it works. Now let's take a look at the locking system. So this is what the bolt that you're going to have on your side of the door. So this is going to be what you'll see in the inside. It's made out of metal. It's really rugged, really well made. I'll show you how it looks inside, right? So you have the PCB, right? The circuit. And now I'll show you the front. Okay? So this is the front. Very beautiful, very elegant. Okay? So take a really nice look. You see that circle right there on the top? There's a, you put your fingerprint there and it recognizes it. You see that number pad right there? You can give a one-time passcode to someone, like let's say a delivery driver, and the person can put a one-time passcode there and enter the door once, right? Or you can have 200 different combination of passcodes that you can give to your friends and family, right? Each with a different ID so that you're gonna know whoever uses that code, right? You're gonna know who did it because the app, it has app connectivity and you can control everything to that. This is the other side. It doesn't say anything is sealed because it's an electronic component, right? What else? It comes, of course, with the locking mechanism. Not gonna bore you with that. And locking mechanism to the outside. And then the handle so that you can let me show you because this is important. So you're gonna need to, in order to close the door behind you, you're gonna need to have a handle. So this is a handle. It's cast metal, black, sturdy, elegant. It's very beautiful, as you can see. And what else? What else is in here? I feel like it's Christmas. It's Christmas here every day. So it comes with the different locks. One that locks behind, and oh, nice. You see, man, they think of everything. Okay, so let me show you this. This is very exciting. So You can either, like, let's say you have kids, like small kids, and you don't want them, you don't know if they can do the set. You can give them one of those cards, right? One of those cards, and then they can tap it on the front of the unit, and it comes with 2 cards. You know, maybe for the elderly. I wouldn't say for the kids, but for the elderly, you can, right? It comes with these cards, right? And then you can give it to them, and whenever they want to come, they can use that, or you can give them keys. You see, it comes with the keys, and it should. All these systems should come with a key in case there's a power outage for a long time and the battery loses all charge. Then you know that you'll be able to go into your house. This connects via Wi-Fi to the app, and it doesn't require a hub. Some security systems require that you have a hub, and then the electricity, right, what opens and closes the locking system comes from another unit. But in this case, it happens inside the system, so you don't have to worry about having to put a hub, a security hub, in order to do this. And if you did have a hub, I'm sure there's a way of connecting this to that hub, either wirelessly or with a wired connection. Though I've installed many of these, and it's not recommended. So this is everything that comes in there. It's beautiful. I'm super excited about putting it together, and you know, the fact that this connects to smart home systems online is a game changer. You see, elegant, beautiful, efficient, and safe. Super recommended. Stay tuned, because soon I'm going to publish another video with the installation and the capabilities of this system.